Is it effective to like bash in someone's head, like up behind them maybe?
Yeah.
Or in front of them, really. I mean.
Yeah, I don't know why you have to specify so much.
Yeah.
You use a bashing head.
Would it be effective against a moving car? And I'm talking car, like sedan.
No.
Not even like a hit windshield kind of thing?
I mean, it might.
You gotta be, it's, okay, next one. Is it, if thrown, is it like easy to aim with? Or is it more like?
I mean, I could probably aim with it pretty easily. I probably wouldn't be.
Okay. Is it bigger than a rifle?
Depends on a rifle, but probably maybe not.
Okay. What number am I at?
Oh, nine.
Okay, so did you find it in the house?
Yeah, for sure.
Would you find it exclusively in a kitchen?
Not exclusively, no.
But it would be in a kitchen?
Some kitchens might have one.
Some kitchens. Would it be, okay, would it be at a bar?
For sure.
For sure at a bar. Okay.
Was that 13 or 14?
14?
13 or 14?
13 or 14, pick one.
I'm gonna give you 13.
So clearly it would be, would it be in a bar fight?
Ooh, you know what? I think it'll be very good in the bar fight.
Okay.
That's 14.
14. So if it's definitely bar fight available, what would it be? Made of wood.
Usually, wood is
Yeah, smile, yeah. So you would say that, because it could be made of others, or?
Yeah. Wood usually though.
Usually. What did you say it's like? Would you say that it's more like waist level? Like my waist? Would you say that you could sit on it? Or?
Yeah, you can sit on it.
Yeah. That was...
Yes.
Because it just makes sense. I mean, but I would say that you should have said that it could be metal also. You just said mostly wood. I feel like that was like.
There's plastic stools more than metal.
Plastic. But when I go to a bar, it's mainly metal stools.
I can tell.
Like metal stools, it gives me.
No, wood too. Plastic at home.
Plastic? I've never seen a plastic stool before.
Google it. Not right now. Come on. Be a professional.
I'm kind of thinking.
What was that?
No shame in documenting it, right?
It's bad enough you write it in your stupid little book.
My book is not stupid. My book helps us keep documenting. Now it really doesn't serve a purpose since we already did something with that.
You are a sociopath.
Is this because you don't want to wear ties and I don't want to wear ties?
Let's go.
Alright. What do you want to say?
We gotta come on, put the camera down.
Okay, well I gotta figure out where the fuck to put the fucking camera.
Why did you bring the fucking camera?
I told you, it's for the documenting. Yeah, hey, Lucas, you wanna hold this for me? Mm-hmm. Just put that, yeah. It's okay. Do we want to keep the bag on him, or?
Nobody will see his face.
Yeah, but what if we... No. What if we just say it's our friend that not passed out?
He's really drunk, yeah.
Yeah,
you're right.
because this looks fucking worse. Fucking damn it. Well, we don't want any more damage to the noggin.
Yeah.
Okay. You want head or?
Pulse.
Shut the fuck
Grab
up.
grab the fucking knife.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, ready?
No.
Okay.
Actually, that's a lie. God!
Yeah, please.
God! Really?
1 second.
Come on, like.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, no, I'm kind of working right now. Someone can't make it tonight.
I'm kind of working right now. Kind of working.
I'm sorry,
Right
this is my coworker. He's being an asshole.
Yeah.
But yeah, just Ooh. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't make it tonight. I'm working.
Yeah, you're working. Yeah.
I'm working. Yeah.
Working.
I'm sorry.
Working. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
Can you fuck off?
Tomorrow.
Can you fuck off?
Tomorrow.
You fuck off.
Tomorrow.
Sorry, that's my coworker. He's being an asshole.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, just tell mama that I'll be there tomorrow.
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 Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
All right. I gotta go. He's being kind of pissy.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm kind of pissed.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I am busy Tuesday.
It's okay. It's okay. Girls come before bros, right, or something?
That was family, actually. You know.
It's fine. All right. Continue.
Let's get him.
No. We're getting into the fucking thing. Wait, damn. We should have. I could have disaster. Just hold on. We think we should. Again, should we do head first or?
Head first. No. Then I'll get him that.
Just fucking.
Alright.
Oh, this fucking jacket.
Alright.
I drank before we got here.
You drove here.